guys, and welcome. This is me, JB Rose, singing Vegan Mum. How is everybody doing? The summer is here. Whoa! I hope you've been out there enjoying the sun, going to the park and hanging out with friends. Isn't it absolutely lovely out there? Well, this week has been a great week for me. I've been doing lots of songwriting and singing. And of course, if you don't know anything about me, I look after my 88-year-old dad. Now, last week I made him a bran loaf, which is a very sensible loaf. It was very, very delicious. But he rang me up and he said he wanted a cakey cake this week. So this week I made him a really delicious cake. I made him a ginger and fig cake. I replaced the white processed sugar with coconut sugar, with date syrup, and of course the figs. So guys, this is a wonderful, really simple recipe. Now don't forget to hang on to the end, where I'll be showing you what I've been up to as a busy vegan mum with a single out at the moment. If you don't know who I am, I'm JB Rose. I'm a singer, I'm a vegan, I'm a mum, and if you want to keep up with what I'm up to, please hit that subscribe button, hit that bell button. I post every Sunday, and every week you will find out what I've been up to and what I've been cooking. So guys, let me show you how I made this simple, delicious recipe, my fig and ginger cake. So 400 grams of self-rising flour. That's some ginger, 100 grams of chopped figs, and then about 3 more figs for the top. 200 mils of plant milk, 100 grams of coconut sugar, 100 grams of vegan butter, and 50 grams of soaked dates, a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, and a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. So everything that I've just said is all going into the food mixer. So let's put the butter in, 200 grams. Let's put 100 grams of coconut sugar, 50 grams of dates. Let's put the flour in at this point. Ooh, 400 grams of self-rising flour, 200 grams of milk, might need to do more, and then of course our ginger. And now we're going to mix. Guess what I forgot? I forgot the teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. That wasn't quite a teaspoon. And the tablespoon of white wine vinegar. Forgot that. Guys, can you see? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the chopped figs into the main mixture. There you go. I've greased and lined the tin, and so now I'm going to pour the whole thing in. It smells gorgeous. The ginger, as you know, we use everything apart from processed sugar, which is a wonderful thing. Beautiful. So now you can see our cake is all there. So now we're going to dress it. So I'm going to put the figs all around it. Big generous bits of fig. Good morning. So I've been switching it up, the old exercise. Drop the kids to school as usual. Always try to do some kind of exercise every day. Might not be an hour, might be half an hour. So yesterday I was in the gym and I did weights, rowing machine, and today bike. We've got lots of hills where I live, and then I come back and then again do weights. Got some weights in my house. The weather is lovely and my area is beautiful. Lovely and sunny, so it's just the perfect time to keep that weight. And you know what, I lost a load of weight last year. I used to be really, my waist back in the day was like, but that seems to be the problem these days. But I'm told it's to do with lots of different things that I'm not going to even accept in my life. But yeah, I lost loads, and it's just all creep back on. It's not like I'm eating sugar or anything, but I think it's portion size. So I'm back to this thing where I do a little bit every day. And you know what, when I do this 20 minutes, half an hour every day, everything shrinks down. I think I've got a high metabolism, so I'm not worried. Anyway, it's a lovely sunny Tuesday morning. I hope you're all having a lovely week. It's so nice when the sun comes out. It makes you feel like there's possibilities. You feel that, you know, things can happen. So I hope that whatever projects, whatever things that you're doing, that you're successful at it, you're focused, and it's going really, really well. I know, it's terrible, isn't it? So I've got Dad a vegan chicken curry, but it's just vegan, with a coleslaw, sorry, with a salad. The salad is it's got a vegan dressing as well. So vegan meal for Daddy today, yeah, Daddy?
Yeah, everything cool.
Everything cool. See, my daddy always said everything cool. Hot though, hot. Get mine. He said mine. Tell us what you think. Testing 1, 2, 3.
Pass the test.
It passed the test.
Immediately.
See, that's good things. It passed the test immediately. So it passed the test immediately, if not before. That's what Dad just said. So I'm on my way home coming from Dad's in South London. Dad loved the cake. He loved my ginger and fig cake. He thought it was delicious, wonderful. So I travelled all the way here just to give him this cake, because he wasn't happy with the loaf that I gave him. Although it tasted nice, yeah, he said he wanted a cakey cake, whereas the other cake was a sensible, the loaf, the bran loaf that I made. I know I made it. It's good for him, it tastes nice, but he wanted a cakey cake. And the bran loaf, I gave it to him because he wasn't feeling so well. So he does feel better now. In fact, it did heal him, but he wanted cake. So I travelled this Thursday evening all the way down to South London to give my lovely father his ginger and fig cake, and he loved it with some custard. Now, he doesn't normally get a pudding on a weekday, so it's very unusual with the custard and everything, but it's okay. I'll take it easy with him on Sunday. So homeward bound I go. This is the night where the kids are with their dad, so I'm going to go home. I might write a song. I feel like writing a song. Oh, it's getting dark around here. Oh, is it dark? Yeah, I feel like writing a song, so I might go home and do some songwriting. Yeah, happy days. Now, as you could see, I took it to my dad's house. He tried it, he loved it. And as you can see, I have none to taste with you and show you and go, oh, it tastes like this, it tastes like that. Because literally, I could not take even a slice back with me. It's all there with my dad. I'm sure he's finished it. So guys, please try out this recipe. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think of the flavour. Tell me everything, please. I love receiving your comments. Listen guys, I realise that I've got at least over 160 recipes here on YouTube. So if you are a vegan, new to being a vegan, guess what? You don't have to go anywhere. There's lots and lots of different kinds of recipes here for you to try, especially if you've just begun this vegan journey. It's exciting, the food is not boring, it's delicious, and guess what? JB Rose singing Vegan Mum, I've got it here. Don't forget, before I go, my single Gold is still out there. Download it, share it. It's really doing well. And very shortly, there'll be a remix coming out too. A remix. Also guys, please check me out on all the socials. I'm on Insta, I'm on Facebook, I've just started doing TikTok, and on Insta I also do Reels. So guys, check it out because there's different content on different socials. I hope you enjoyed this week's recipe. I hope you enjoyed my vlog. I will see you next week for healthy vegan options. I'm your girl.